Unit 7. The p block elements. Diversity in chemistry is the hallmark of p block elements, manifested in their ability to react with the elements of S, D and F blocks as well as with their own. In class 11th, you have learned that p block elements are placed in groups 13 to 18 of the periodic table. Their valence shell electronic configuration is ns2 np1 to 6. Except helium, which has 1s2 configuration. The properties of p block elements, like that of others, are greatly influenced by atomic sizes, ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy and electronegativity. The absence of d orbitals in second period and presence of d or d and f orbitals in heavier elements starting from third period onwards have significant effects on the properties of elements. In addition, the presence of all the three types of elements, metals, metalloids and non-metals, bring diversification in chemistry of these elements. Having learned the chemistry of elements of groups 13 and 14 of the p block of periodic table in class 11, you will learn the chemistry of the elements of subsequent groups in this unit. 7.1 Group 15 Elements. Group 15 includes nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth and moscovium. As we go down the group, there is a shift from non-metallic to metallic through metalloidic character. Nitrogen and phosphorus are non-metals, arsenic and antimony metalloids, bismuth and moscovium are typical metals. 7.1.1 Occurrence. Molecular nitrogen comprises 78% by volume of the atmosphere. In the Earth's crust, it occurs as sodium nitrate, NaNO3 called Kiley saltpetre, and potassium nitrate, that is Indian saltpetre. It is found in the form of proteins in plants and animals. Phosphorus occurs in minerals of the apatite family, Ca9PO4 6 into CaX2, where X is the fluorine, chlorine or OH. Example, fluorapatite Ca9PO4 6 into CaF2, its formula of the fluorapatite. Which are the main components of phosphate rocks? Phosphorus is an essential constituent of animal and plant matter. It is present in bones as well as in living cells. Phosphoproteins are present in milk and eggs. Arsenic, antimony and bismuth are found mainly as sulfide minerals. Moscovium is a synthetic radioactive element. Its symbol is Mc. Atomic number is 115. Atomic mass is 289 and electronic configuration is radon 5F14 6D10 7S2 7P3. Due to very short half-life and availability in very little amount, its chemistry is yet to be established. Here, except for moscovium, important atomic and physical properties of other elements of this group along with their electronic configurations are given in table 7.1. 7.1.2 Electronic configuration. The valence shell electronic configuration of these elements is ns2np3. The s orbital in these elements is completely filled and p orbitals are half filled, making their electronic configuration extra stable. 7.1.3 Atomic and ionic radii. Covalent and ionic in a particular state, radii increase in size down the group. There is a considerable increase in covalent radius from nitrogen to phosphorus. However, from arsenic to bismuth, only a small increase in covalent radius is observed. This is due to the presence of completely filled d and or f orbitals in heavier members. 7.1.4 Ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy decreases down the group due to gradual increase in atomic size. Because of the extra stable half-filled p orbitals, electronic configuration and smaller size, the ionization enthalpy of the group 15 elements is much greater than that of group 14 elements in the corresponding periods. The order of successive ionization enthalpies as expected is delta I H1 is less than delta I H2 is less than delta I H3. 7.1.5 Electronegativity. The electronegativity value in general decreases down the group with the increasing atomic size. However, amongst the heavier elements, the difference is not that much pronounced. 7.1.6 Physical Properties. All the elements of this group are polyatomic. Dinitrogen is a diatomic gas while all others are solids. Metallic character increases down the group. Nitrogen and phosphorus are non-metals. Arsenic and antimony metalloids and bismuth is a metal. This is due to decrease in ionization enthalpy and increase in atomic size. The boiling points in general increase from top to bottom in the group, but the melting point increases up to arsenic and then decreases up to bismuth. Except nitrogen, all the elements show allotropy. 7.1.7 Chemical Properties. Oxidation states and trends in chemical reactivity. The common oxidation states of these elements are -3, +3 and +5. The tendency to exhibit -3 oxidation state decreases down the group due to increase in size and metallic character. In fact, last number of the group bismuth hardly forms any compound in -3 oxidation state. The stability of +5 oxidation state decreases down the group. The only well-characterized bismuth compound is BiF5. The stability of +5 oxidation state decreases and that of +3 state increases due to inert pair effect down the group. Besides +5 oxidation states, nitrogen exhibits +1, +2, +4 oxidation states also when it reacts with oxygen. However, it does not form compounds in +5 oxidation state with halogens, as nitrogen does not have d orbitals to accommodate electrons from other elements to form bonds. Phosphorus also shows +1 and +4 oxidation states in some oxo acids. In the case of nitrogen, all oxidation states from +1 to +4 tend to disproportionate in acid solution. For example, 3HNO2 gives out HNO3 plus H2O plus 2NO. Similarly, in case of phosphorus, nearly all intermediate oxidation state disproportionate into +5 and -3 both in alkali and acid. However, +3 oxidation state in case of arsenic, antimony and bismuth becomes increasingly stable with respect to disproportionation. Nitrogen is restricted to a maximum covalency of 4 since only 4 1s and 3p orbitals are available for bonding. The heavier elements have vacant d orbital in the outermost shell, which can be used for bonding, that is covalency, and hence expend their covalence as in pF6 negative. Anomalous properties of nitrogen. Nitrogen differs from the rest of the members of this group due to its small size, high electronegativity, high ionization enthalpy, and non-availability of d orbitals. Nitrogen has unique ability to form p-pi multiple bonds with itself and with other elements having a small size and high electronegativity, example carbon and oxygen. Heavier elements of this group do not form p-pi bonds as their atomic orbitals are so large and diffuse that they cannot have effective overlapping. Thus, nitrogen exists as diatomic molecules with a triple bond, 1s and 2p, between the two atoms. Consequently, its bond enthalpy is very high. It is 941.4 kJ per mole. On the contrary, phosphorus, arsenic and antimony form single bonds as pp, arsenic and Sb, while bismuth forms metallic bonds in elemental state. However, the single nitrogen-nitrogen bond is weaker than the single phosphorus-phosphorus bond because of high interelectronic repulsion of the non-bonding electrons owing to the small bond length. As a result, the catenation tendency is weaker in nitrogen. Another factor which affects the chemistry of nitrogen is the absence of d orbitals in its valence shell. Besides restricting its covalency to 4, nitrogen cannot form d-pi bond as the heavier elements can, example R3p double bond O or R3p double bond CH2, where R is the alkyl group. Phosphorus and arsenic can form d-pi bond also with the transition metals when their compounds like Pc2H5 and arsenic C6H5 act as ligands. Number 1. Reactivity towards hydrogen. All the elements of group 15 form hydrides of the type EH3, where E is equals to N, P, arsenic, antimony or bismuth. Some of the properties of these hydrides are shown in table 7.2. The hydrides show regular gradation in their properties. The stability of hydrides decreases from NH3 to BiH3, which can be observed from their bond dissociation enthalpy. Consequently, the reducing character of the hydrides increases. Ammonia is only a mild reducing agent, while BiH3 is the strongest reducing agent amongst all the hydrides. Basicity also decreases in the order NH3 is greater than PH3 is greater than ASH3 is greater than SBH3 is greater than or equal to the BiH3. Due to high electronegativity and a small size of nitrogen, NH3 exhibits hydrogen bonding in solid as well as liquid state. Because of this, it has a higher melting and boiling points than that of PH3. Number 2. Reactivity towards oxygen. All these elements form two types of oxides, E2O3 and E2O5. The oxide in the higher oxidation state of the element is more acidic than that of lower oxidation state. Their acidic character decreases down the group. The oxides of the type E2O3 of nitrogen and phosphorus are purely acidic, that of arsenic and antimony amphoteric, and those of bismuth predominantly basic. Number 3. Reactivity towards halogen. These elements react to form two series of halides, EX3 and EX5. Nitrogen does not form pentahalide due to non-availability of the d orbitals in its valence shell. Pentahalides are more covalent than trihalides. This is due to the fact that in pentahalides +5 oxidation state exist, while in the case of trihalides +3 oxidation state exist. Since elements in +5 oxidation state will have more polarizing power than in +3 oxidation state, the covalent character of bonds is more in pentahalides. All the trihalides of these elements except those of nitrogen are stable. In case of nitrogen, only NF3 is known to be stable. Trihalides except BiF3 are predominantly covalent in nature. Number 4. Reactivity towards metal. All these elements react with metals to form their binary compounds exhibiting -3 oxidation state, such as Ca3N2, that is calcium nitride, Ca3P2, that is calcium phosphide, Na3As, that is sodium arsenide, and Zn3Sb2, that is zinc antimonide, and Mg3Bi2, that is magnesium bismuthide. 7.2. Dinitrogen. Preparation. Dinitrogen is produced commercially by the liquefaction and fractional distillation of air. Liquid dinitrogen, boiling point is 77.2 Kelvin, distills out first, leaving behind liquid oxygen, boiling point is 90 K. In the laboratory, dinitrogen is prepared by treating an aqueous solution of ammonium chloride with sodium nitrite. NH4Cl plus NaNO2 gives out N2 plus 2H2O and NaCl. Small amounts of NO and HNO3 are also formed in this reaction. These impurities can be removed by passing the gas through aqueous sulfuric acid containing potassium dichromate. It can also be obtained by the thermal decomposition of ammonium dischromate. NH4 twice Cr2O7 on heating produces nitrogen plus 4H2O plus Cr2O3. Very pure nitrogen can be obtained by the thermal decomposition of sodium or barium azide. BaN3 twice gives out Ba plus 3N2. Properties. Dinitrogen is a colorless, odorless, tasteless and non-toxic gas. Nitrogen atom has two stable isotopes, 14N and 15N. It has a very low solubility in water, 23.2 cm3 per liter of water at 273 Kelvin and 1 bar pressure, and low freezing point and boiling points. Dinitrogen is rather inert at room temperature because of the high bond enthalpy of nitrogen-nitrogen bond, that is triple bond between them. Reactivity, however, increases rapidly with the rise in temperature. At high temperatures, it directly combines with some metals to form predominantly ionic nitrides and with non-metals covalent nitrides. A few typical reactions are 6 lithium plus nitrogen on heating produces 2Li3N. 3 magnesium plus N2 on heating produces Mg3N2. It combines with the hydrogen at 773 Kelvin in the presence of a catalyst, Haber's process it is, to form ammonia. N2 plus 3H2 on 773 Kelvin forms 2NH3, where delta H is -46.1 kJ per mole. Dinitrogen combines with dioxygen only at very high temperature at about 2000 Kelvin to form nitric oxide, that is NO. N2 plus O2 on heating produces 2NO. Uses: the main use of dinitrogen is in the manufacture of ammonia and other industrial chemicals containing nitrogen, for example calcium cyanamide. It also finds use where an inert atmosphere is required, example in iron and steel industry, inert diluent for reactive chemicals. Liquid dinitrogen is used as a refrigerant to preserve biological materials, food items and cryosurgery. 7.3 Ammonia. Preparation. Ammonia is present in small quantities in air and soil where it is formed by the decay of nitrogenous organic matter, example urea. NH2CONH2 plus 2H2O gives out NH4 whole twice CO3 gives out 2NH3 plus H2O plus CO2. On a small scale, ammonia is obtained from ammonium salts which decompose when treated with caustic soda or calcium hydroxide. 2NH4Cl plus CaOH whole twice gives out 2NH3 plus 2H2O plus CaCl2. While the next reaction is NH4 whole twice SO4 plus 2NaOH gives out 2NH3 plus 2H2O plus Na2SO4. On a large scale, ammonia is manufactured by Haber's process, that is N2 plus 3H2 gives out 2NH3 and it's a reversible reaction and delta H is minus 46.1 kJ per mole. In accordance with Le Chatelier's principle, high pressure would favor the formation of ammonia. The optimum conditions for the production of ammonia are a pressure of 200 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal, that is about 200 atmospheric pressure, a temperature of approximately 700 Kelvin and the use of a catalyst such as iron oxide with small amounts of K2O and Al2O3 to increase the rate of attainment of equilibrium. The flow chart for the production of ammonia is shown in figure 7.1 that you have to see from your book. Earlier, iron was used as a catalyst with molybdenum as a promoter. Properties. Ammonia is a colorless gas with a pungent odor. Its freezing and boiling points are 198.4 and 239.7 Kelvin respectively. In the solid and liquid states, it is associated through hydrogen bonds as in the case of water, and that accounts for its higher melting and boiling points than expected on the basis of its molecular mass. The ammonia molecule is trigonal pyramidal with the nitrogen atom at the apex. It has 3 bond pairs and 1 lone pair of electrons as shown in the structure. Ammonia gas is highly soluble in water. Its aqueous solution is weakly basic due to the formation of OH ions. NH3 plus H2O gives out NH4 ion plus OH ion. It forms ammonium salts with acids, example NH4Cl and NH4 whole twice SO4, etc. As a weak base, it precipitates the hydroxides, that is hydrated oxides in case of some metals, of many metals from their salt solution. For example, ZnSO4 plus 2NH4OH gives out ZnOH whole twice plus NH4 whole twice SO4, and here the ZnOH whole twice PPT is white in color. Next reaction is FeCl3 plus NH4OH gives out Fe2O3 into XH2O plus NH4Cl, and here the Fe2O3 into XH2O PPT color is brown. The presence of a lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen atom of the ammonia molecule makes it a Lewis base. It donates the electron pair and forms the linkage with metal ions, and the formation of such complex compounds finds application in detection of metal ions such as copper ion, that is Cu2 positive, and Ag single positive. Cu2 positive plus 4NH3 gives out CuNH3 whole 4 and the whole 2 positive. Ag positive plus chloride negative gives out AgCl, that is white PPT, and AgCl, that is white PPT plus 2NH3 gives out AgNH3 whole twice and the whole Cl, and that is completely colorless. Uses. Ammonia is used to produce various nitrogenous fertilizers, that is ammonium nitrate, urea, ammonium phosphate and ammonium sulfate, and in the manufacture of some inorganic nitrogen compounds, the most important one being nitric acid. Liquid ammonia is also used as refrigerant. 7.4 Oxides of nitrogen. Nitrogen forms a number of oxides in different oxidation states. The names, formulas, preparation and physical appearance of these oxides are given in table 7.3. The first one is dinitrogen oxide, and its formula is N2O, and its oxidation state of nitrogen is +1. And common methods of preparation is NH4 NO3 on heating gives out N2O plus 2H2O, and its physical appearance and chemical nature is colorless gas and neutral. Next one is nitrogen monoxide, and its formula is NO, and its oxidation state is +2, and its preparation method is 2NaNO2 plus 2FeSO4 plus 3H2SO4 gives out Fe2SO4 whole thrice plus 2NaHSO4 plus 2H2O plus 2NO, and its physical appearance and chemical nature is colorless gas and it is neutral. After that, the third one is dinitrogen trioxide, and its formula is N2O3, oxidation state is +3, and preparation method is 2NO plus N2O4 at 250 Kelvin gives out 2N2O3, and it is blue solid and nature is acidic. After that, the fourth one is nitrogen dioxide, and its formula is NO2, oxidation state is +4, and the preparation method is 2Pb NO3 whole twice at 673 Kelvin gives out 4NO2 plus 2PbO plus O2, and it is brown gas with acidic nature. Next one is dinitrogen tetroxide. Its formula is N2O4 and oxidation state is +4, and its preparation method is 2NO2. On cooling, it forms N2O4, and it is a reversible reaction. That means it on heating forms 2NO2 again, and it is colorless solid and its nature is liquid and acidic. Next one is the dinitrogen pentoxide, and its formula is N2O5, and its oxidation state is +5, and the preparation method is 4HNO3 plus P4O10, and it forms 4HPO3 plus 2N2O5. Colorless solid it is, and its nature is acidic. Lewis dot main resonance structure and bond parameters of oxides are given in table 7.4. 7.5 Nitric acid. Nitrogen forms oxo acids such as H2N2O2, that is hyponitrous acid, HNO2 nitrous acid, and HNO3 nitric acid. Amongst them, HNO3 is most important. Preparation. In the laboratory, nitric acid is prepared by heating KNO3 or NaNO3 and concentrated H2SO4 in a glass retort. NaNO3 plus H2SO4 gives out NaHSO4 plus HNO3. On a large scale, it is prepared mainly by Ostwald process. This method is based upon catalytic oxidation of NH3 by atmospheric oxygen. 4NH3 plus 5O2 gives out 4NO plus 6H2O, and this reaction happens in the presence of platinum gauge catalyst, and the temperature is 500 Kelvin and pressure is 9 bar. Nitric oxide thus formed combines with oxygen giving NO2, and the reaction is 2NO plus O2 gives out 2NO2, and it's a reversible reaction. And nitrogen dioxide so formed dissolves in water to give HNO3, and the reaction is 3NO2 plus H2O and gives out 2HNO3 plus NO. NO thus form is recycled, and the aqueous HNO3 can be concentrated by distillation up to 68% by mass. Further concentration to 98% can be achieved by dehydration with concentrated H2SO4. Properties. It is a colorless liquid. Laboratory grade nitric acid contains approximately 68% of the HNO3 by mass and has a specific gravity of 1.504. In the gaseous state, HNO3 exists as a planar molecule with the structure as shown. In aqueous solution, nitric acid behaves as a strong acid giving hydronium and nitrate ions. HNO3 plus H2O gives out H3O positive plus NO3 negative. Concentrated nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent and attacks most metals except noble metals such as gold and platinum. The products of oxidation depends upon the concentration of the acid, temperature and the nature of the material undergoing oxidation. The reactions are 3Cu plus 8HNO3 gives out 3Cu NO3 whole twice plus 2NO plus 4H2O. Cu plus 4HNO3 gives out CuNO3 whole twice plus 2NO2 plus 2H2O. Zinc reacts with dilute nitric acid to give N2O and with concentrated acids to give NO2. The reactions are 4Zn plus 10HNO3 dilute gives out 4Zn NO3 whole twice plus 5H2O plus N2O. Zn plus 4HNO3 that is concentrated gives out Zn NO3 whole twice plus 2H2O plus 2NO2. Some metals, example chromium and aluminium, do not dissolve in concentrated nitric acid because of the formation of a passive film of oxide on the surface. Concentrated nitric acid also oxidizes nonmetals and their compounds. Iodine is oxidized to iodic acid, carbon to carbon dioxide, sulfur to H2SO4 and phosphorus to phosphoric acid. The reactions are I2 plus 10HNO3 gives out 2HIO3 plus 10NO2 plus 4H2O. Carbon plus 4HNO3 gives out CO2 plus 2H2O plus 4NO2. S8 plus 48HNO3 gives out 8H2SO4 plus 48NO2 plus 16H2O, and P4 plus 20HNO3 gives out 4H3PO4 plus 20NO2 plus 4H2O. Brown ring test. The familiar brown ring test for nitrates depends on the ability of Fe2 positive to reduce nitrates to nitric oxide, which reacts with Fe2 positive to form a brown colored complex. The test is usually carried out by adding dilute ferrous sulfate solution to an aqueous solution containing nitrate ion and then carefully adding concentrated sulfuric acid along the sides of the test tube. A brown ring at the interface between the solution and sulfuric acid layers indicates the presence of nitrate ion in solution. NO3 negative plus 3Fe2 positive plus 4H ion gives out NO plus 3Fe3 positive plus 2H2O. FeH2O whole 6 2 positive plus NO gives out FeH2O whole 5 into NO and the whole 2 positive plus H2O, and its color is brown. Uses. The major use of nitric acid is in the manufacture of ammonia nitrate, for fertilizers and other nitrates for use in explosives and pyrotechnics. It is also used for the preparation of nitroglycerine, trinitrotoluene and other organic nitrogen compounds. Other major uses are in the pickling of stainless steel, etching of metals and as an oxidizer in rocket fuels. 7.6. Phosphorus allotropic forms. Phosphorus is found in many allotropic forms, the important ones being white, red and black. White phosphorus is a translucent white waxy solid. It is poisonous, insoluble in water but soluble in carbon disulfide and glows in dark, that is chemiluminescence. It dissolves in boiling NaOH solution in an inert atmosphere giving pH 3. Reaction is P4 plus 3 NaOH plus 3 H2O gives out pH 3 plus 3 NaH2 PO2 and it is sodium hypophosphite. White phosphorus is less stable and therefore more reactive than the other solid phases under normal conditions because of angular strain in the P4 molecular where the angles are only 60 degree. It readily catches fire in air to give dense white fumes of P4O10. And the reaction is P4 plus 5O2 gives out P4O10. It consists of discrete tetrahedral P4 molecule as shown in figure 7.2. Red phosphorus is obtained by heating white phosphorus at 573 Kelvin in an inert atmosphere for several days. When red phosphorus is heated under high pressure, a series of phases of black phosphorus is formed. Red phosphorus possesses iron-gray luster. It is odorless, non-poisonous and insoluble in water as well as in carbon disulfide. Chemically, red phosphorus is much less reactive than white phosphorus. It does not glow in the dark. It is polymeric, consisting of chains of P4 tetrahedra linked together in the manner as shown in figure 7.3. Black phosphorus. Black phosphorus has two forms, alpha black phosphorus and beta black phosphorus. Alpha black phosphorus is formed when red phosphorus is heated in a sealed tube at 803 Kelvin. It can be sublimed in air and has opaque monoclinic or rhombohedral crystals. It does not oxidize in air. Beta black phosphorus is prepared by heating white phosphorus at 473 Kelvin under high pressure. It does not burn in air up to 673 Kelvin. 7.7 Phosphine. Preparation. Phosphine is prepared by the reaction of calcium phosphide with water or dilute HCl. Reactions are Ca3P2 plus 6H2O gives out 3CaOH whole twice plus 2PH3. Next reaction is Ca3P2 plus 6HCl gives out 3CaCl2 plus 2PH3. In the laboratory, it is prepared by heating white phosphorus with concentrated NaOH solution in an inert atmosphere of CO2. P4 plus 3 NaOH plus 3 H2O gives out PH3 plus 3 NaH2PO2 and it is sodium hypophosphite. When pure, it is non-inflammable but becomes inflammable owing to the presence of P2H4 or P4 vapors. To purify it from the impurities, it is absorbed in HI to form phosphonium iodide PH4I, which on treating with KOH gives off phosphine. PH4I plus KOH gives out Ki plus H2O plus PH3. Properties: it is colorless gas with rotten fish smell and is highly poisonous. It explodes in contact with traces of oxidizing agents like HNO3, Cl2 and Br2 vapors. It is slightly soluble in water. The solution of PH3 in water decomposes in presence of light, giving red phosphorus and H2. When absorbed in copper sulfate or mercury chloride solution, the corresponding phosphides are obtained. 3CuSO4 plus 2PH3 gives out Cu3P2 plus 2 plus 3H2SO4 and the next reaction is 3HgCl2 plus 2PH3 gives out Hg3P2 plus 6HCl. Phosphine is weakly basic and like ammonia gives phosphonium compounds with acids. Example, PH3 plus HBr gives out PH4Br. Uses: the spontaneous combustion of phosphine is technically used in Holmes signal. Containers containing calcium carbide and calcium phosphide are pierced and thrown in the sea when the gases evolved burn and serve as signal. It is also used in smoke screen. 7.8 Phosphorus halides. Phosphorus forms two types of halides, PX3 where X is fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine and PX5. 7.8.1 Phosphorus trichloride. Preparation: it is obtained by passing dry chlorine over heated white phosphorus P4 plus 6Cl2 plus 4PCl3. It is also obtained by the action of thionyl chloride with white phosphorus. P4 plus 8SOCl2 gives out 4PCl3 plus 4SO2 plus 2S2Cl2. Properties: it is a colorless oily liquid and hydrolyzes in the presence of moisture. PCl3 plus 3H2O gives out H3PO3 plus 3HCl. It reacts with organic compounds containing OH groups such as CH3COOH and C2H5OH and the reactions are 3CH3COOH plus PCl3 gives out 3CH3COCl plus H3PO3. Next reaction is 3C2H5OH plus PCl3 gives out 3C2H5Cl plus H3PO3. 7.8.2 Phosphorus pentachloride. It has a pyramidal shape as shown in which phosphorus is sp3 hybridized. Preparation: phosphorus pentachloride is prepared by the reaction of white phosphorus with excess of dry chlorine. P4 plus 10Cl2 gives out 4PCl5. It can also be prepared by the action of SO2Cl2 on phosphorus. P4 plus 10SO2Cl2 gives out 4PCl5 plus 10SO2. Properties: PCl5 is a yellowish white powder and in moisture it hydrolyzes to POCl3 and finally gets converted to phosphoric acid. PCl5 plus H2O gives out POCl3 plus 2HCl. POCl3 plus 3H2O gives out H3PO4 plus 3HCl. When heated, it sublimes but decomposes on stronger heating. PCl5 on heating gives out PCl3 plus Cl2. It reacts with organic compounds containing OH group, converting them to chloroderivatives. And the reactions are C2H5OH plus PCl5 gives out C2H5Cl plus POCl3 plus HCl. CH3COOH plus PCl5 gives out CH3COCl plus POCl3 plus HCl. Finely divided metals on heating with PCl5 give corresponding chlorides. 2Ag plus PCl5 gives out 2AgCl plus PCl3. Sn plus 2PCl5 gives out SnCl4 plus 2PCl3. It is used in the synthesis of some organic compounds, example C2H5Cl, CH3COCl. In gaseous and liquid phases, it has a trigonal bipyramidal structure as shown. The three equatorial PCl bonds are equivalent, while the two axial bonds are longer than equatorial bonds. This is due to the fact that the axial bond pairs suffer more repulsion as compared to equatorial bond pairs. 7.9 Oxoacids of phosphorus. Phosphorus forms a number of oxoacids. The important oxoacids of phosphorus with their formulas, methods of preparation, and the presence of some characteristic bonds in their structures are given in Table 7.5. Table 7.5 Oxoacids of phosphorus. I will tell you name and formula in this table. Rest of the things you have to check from your book. Hypophosphorus, that is phosphorphenic, and its formula is H3PO2. Next one is orthophosphorus and its formula is H3PO3. Next one is pyrophosphorus and its formula is H4P2O5. Next one is hypophosphoric and its formula is H4P2O6. After that, orthophosphoric and its formula is H3PO4. And then after pyrophosphoric, its formula is H4P2O7. And then after metaphosphoric and its formula is HPO3N. The compositions of oxoacids are interrelated in terms of loss or gain of H2O molecule or oxygen atom. The structures of some important oxoacids are given next. In oxoacids, phosphorus is tetrahedrally surrounded by other atoms. All these acids contain at least one P double bond O bond and one POH bond. The oxoacids in which phosphorus has lower oxidation state contain, in addition to PO and POH bonds, either PP, example in H4P2O6, or PH, example is H3PO2 bonds, but not both. These acids in +3 oxidation states, for example orthophosphorus acid or phosphorus acid, on heating disproportionate to give orthophosphoric acid or phosphoric acid and phosphine, and the reaction is 4H3PO3 gives out 3H3PO4 plus PH3. The acids which contain PH bond have strong reducing properties. Thus, hypophosphorus acid is a good reducing agent as it contains two PH bonds and reduces, for example, AgNO3 to metallic silver. 4AgNO3 plus 2H2O plus H3PO2 gives out 4Ag plus 4HNO3 plus H3PO4. These PH bonds are not ionizable to give hydrogen ion and do not play any role in basicity. Only those hydrogen atoms which are attached with oxygen in POH form are ionizable and cause the basicity. Thus, H3PO3 and H3PO4 are dibasic and tribasic, respectively, as the structure of H3PO3 has two POH bonds and H3PO4 3. 7.10 Group 16 elements. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium and livermorium constitute group 16 of the periodic table. This is sometimes known as group of chalcogens. The name is derived from the Greek word for brass and points to the association of sulfur and its congeners with copper. Most copper minerals contain either oxygen or sulfur and frequently the other members of the group. 7.10.1 Occurrence. Oxygen is the most abundant of all the elements on Earth. Oxygen forms 46.6% by mass of Earth's crust. Dry air contains 20.946% oxygen by volume. However, the abundance of sulfur in the Earth's crust is only 0.03 to 0.1%. Combined sulfur exists primarily as sulfates such as gypsum, CaSO4 into 2H2O, Epsom salt, MgSO4 into 7H2O, barite, BaSO4 and sulfides such as galena PbS, zinc blende ZnS, copper pyrite CuFeS2. Traces of sulfur occur as hydrogen sulfide in volcanoes. Organic materials such as eggs, proteins, garlic, onion, mustard, hair and wool contain sulfur. Selenium and tellurium are also found as metal selenides and tellurides in sulfurite ores. Polonium occurs in nature as a decay product of thorium and uranium minerals. Livermorium is a synthetic radioactive element. Its symbol is Lv. Atomic number is 116, atomic mass is 292 and electronic configuration is radon 5F14 6010 7s2 7p4. It has been produced only in a very small amount and has a very short half-life, only a small fraction of 1 second. This limits the study of properties of Lv. Here, except for livermorium, important atomic and physical properties of other elements of group 16 along with their electronic configurations are given in table 7.6. Some of the atomic, physical and chemical properties and their trends are discussed below. Table 7.6. Some physical properties of group 16 elements. 7.10.2 Electronic configuration. The elements of group 16 have 6 electrons in the outermost shell and have an s2np4 general electronic configuration. 7.10.3 Atomic and ionic radii. Due to increase in the number of shells, atomic and ionic radii increase from top to bottom in the group. The size of oxygen atom is, however, exceptionally small. 7.10.4 Ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy decreases down the group. It is due to increase in size. However, the elements of this group have lower ionization enthalpy values compared to those of group 15 in the corresponding periods. This is due to the fact that group 15 elements have extra stable half-filled p orbitals electronic configurations. 7.10.5 Electron gain enthalpy. Because of the compact nature of oxygen atom, it has less negative electron gain enthalpy than sulfur. However, from sulfur onwards, the value again becomes less negative up to polonium. 7.10.6 Electronegativity. Next to fluorine, oxygen has the highest electronegativity value amongst the elements. Within the group, electronegativity decreases with an increase in atomic number. This implies that the metallic character increases from oxygen to polonium. 7.10.7 Physical properties. Some of the physical properties of group 16 elements are given in table 7.6. Oxygen and sulfur are non-metals, selenium and tellurium metalloids, whereas polonium is a metal. Polonium is radioactive and is short-lived. Half-life is 13.8 days. All these elements exhibit allotropy. The melting and boiling points increase with an increase in atomic number down the group. The large difference between the melting and boiling points of oxygen and sulfur may be explained on the basis of their atomicity. Oxygen exists as diatomic molecule, whereas sulfur exists as polyatomic molecule, S8 it is. 7.10.8 Chemical properties. Oxidation states and trends in chemical reactivity. The elements of group 16 exhibit a number of oxidation states. Table 7.6. The stability of -2 oxidation state decreases down the group. Polonium hardly shows -2 oxidation state. Since electronegativity of oxygen is very high, it shows only negative oxidation state as -2 except in the case of OF2 where its oxidation state is +2. Other elements of the group exhibit +2, +4, +6 oxidation states, but +4 and +6 are more common. Sulfur, selenium and tellurium usually show the +4 oxidation state in their compounds with oxygen and +6 with fluorine. The stability of +6 oxidation state decreases down the group and stability of +4 oxidation state increases. That is inert pair effect. Bonding in +4 and +6 oxidation states is primarily covalent. Anomalous behavior of oxygen. The anomalous behavior of oxygen, like other members of p block present in second period, is due to its small size and high electronegativity. One typical example of effects of small size and high electronegativity is the presence of strong hydrogen bonding in H2O, which is not found in H2S. The absence of d orbital in oxygen limits its covalency to 4 and in practice rarely exceeds 2. On the other hand, in case of other elements of the group, the valence shells can be expanded and covalence exceeds 4. Number 1. Reactivity with hydrogen. All the elements of group 16 form hydrides of the type H2E, where E is oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium, and some properties of hydrides are given in table 7.7. Their acidic character increases from H2O to H2TE. The increase in acidic character can be explained in terms of decrease in bond enthalpy for the dissociation of He bond down the group. Owing to the decrease in enthalpy for the dissociation of He bond down the group, the thermal stability of the hydrides also decreases from H2O to H2PO. All the hydrides except water possesses reducing property and this character increases from H2S to H2TE. Table 7.7 Properties of hydrides of group 16 elements. Number 2. Reactivity with oxygen. All these elements from oxides of the EO2 and EO3 types, where E is sulfur, selenium, tellurium or polonium. Ozone and sulfur dioxide are gases, while selenium dioxide is solid. Reducing property of dioxide decreases from SO2 to TeO2. SO2 is reducing while TeO2 is an oxidizing agent. Besides EO2 type, sulfur, selenium and tellurium also form EO3 type oxides SO3, SeO3 and TeO3. Both types of oxides are acidic in nature. Number 3, reactivity towards the halogen. Elements of group 16 form a large number of halides of the type EX6, EX4 and EX2, where E an element of the group and X is a halogen. The stability of the halides decreases in the order fluorine is greater than chlorine, is greater than bromine and is greater than iodine, and all are negatively charged. And amongst hexahalides, hexafluorides are the only stable halides. All hexafluorides are gaseous in nature. They have octahedral structure, and sulfur hexafluoride SF6 is exceptionally stable for steric reasons. Amongst tetrafluorides, SF4 is a gas and SeF4 a liquid and TeF4 a solid. These fluorides have sp3 dehybridization and thus have trigonal bipyramidal structures in which one of the equatorial positions is occupied by a lone pair of electrons. This geometry is also regarded as seesaw geometry. All elements except oxygen from dichlorides and bibromides, these dihalides are formed by sp3 hybridization and thus have tetrahedral structure. The well-known monohalides are dimeric in nature. Examples are S2F2, S2Cl2, S2Br2, Se2Cl2 and Se2Br2. These dimeric halides undergo disproportionation as given below. 2Se2Cl2 gives out SeCl4 plus 3Se. 7.11 Dioxygen. Preparation. Dioxygen can be obtained in the laboratory by the following ways. Number 1, by heating oxygen containing salts such as chlorates, nitrates and permanganates. Reaction is 2KClO3 on heating in the presence of MnO2 gives out 2KCl plus 3O2. Number 2, by the thermal decomposition of the oxides of metal low in electrochemical series and higher oxides of some metals. And the reactions are 2Ag2O gives out 4Ag plus O2, 2HgO gives out 2Hg plus O2, 2Pb3O4 gives out 6PbO plus O2 and 2PbO2 gives out 2PbO plus O2. Number 3, hydrogen peroxide is readily decomposed into water and dioxygen by catalysts such as finely divided metals and manganese dioxide. 2H2O2 gives out 2H2O plus O2. On large scale, it can be prepared from water or air. Electrolysis of water leads to the release of hydrogen at the cathode and oxygen at the anode. Industrially, dioxygen is obtained from air by first removing carbon dioxide and water vapor, and then the remaining gases are liquefied and fractionally distilled to give dinitrogen and dioxygen. Properties. Dioxygen is a colorless and odorless gas. Its solubility in water is to the extent of 3.08 cm cube in 100 cm cube water at 293 Kelvin, which is just sufficient for the vital support of marine and aquatic life. It liquefies at 90 K and freezes at 55 K. Oxygen atom has 3 stable isotopes, O16, O17 and O18. Molecular oxygen O2 is unique in being paramagnetic in spite of having even number of electrons. Dioxygen directly reacts with nearly all metals and non-metals except some metals, example Au and platinum, and some noble gases. Its combination with other elements is often strongly exothermic, which helps in sustaining the reaction. However, to initiate the reaction, some external heating is required, as bond dissociation enthalpy of oxygen-oxygen double bond is high and it is 493.4 kJ per mole. Some of the reactions of dioxygen with metals, non-metals and other compounds are given below. 2Ca plus O2 gives out 2CaO, 4Al plus 3O2 gives out 2Al2O3, P4 plus 5O2 gives out P4O10, C plus O2 gives out CO2, 2ZnS plus 3O2 gives out 2ZnO plus 2SO2, CH4 plus 2O2 gives out CO2 plus 2H2O. Some compounds are catalytically oxidized. For example, 2SO2 plus O2 in the presence of V2O5 gives out 2SO3, 4HCl plus O2 in the presence of CoCl2 gives out 2Cl2 plus 2H2O. Uses: in addition to its importance in normal respiration and combustion process, oxygen is used in oxyacetylene welding, in the manufacture of many metals, particularly steel. Oxygen cylinders are widely used in hospitals, high-altitude flying, and in mountaineering. The combustion of fuels, example hydrogens in liquid oxygen, provides tremendous thrust in rockets. 7.12 Simple oxides. A binary compound of oxygen with another element is called oxide. As already stated, oxygen reacts with most of the elements of the periodic table to form oxides. In many cases, one element forms two or more oxides. The oxides vary widely in their nature and properties. Oxides can be simple, example MgO, Al2O3, or mixed. Its examples are Pb3O4, Fe3O4. Simple oxides can be classified on the basis of their acidic, basic, or amphoteric character. An oxide that combines with water to give an acid is termed acidic oxide, and examples are SO2, Cl2O7, CO2, and 2O5. For examples, SO2 combines with water to give H2SO3 an acid. SO2 plus H2O gives out H2SO3. As a general rule, only non-metal oxides are acidic, but oxides of some metals in high oxidation state also have acidic characters. Example, Mn2O7, CrO3, V2O5. The oxides which give a base with water are known as basic oxides. Example, Na2O, CaO, BaO. For example, CaO combines with water to give CaOH whole twice a base. CaO plus H2O gives out CaOH whole twice. In general, metallic oxides are basic. Some metallic oxides exhibit a dual behavior. They show characteristics of both acidic as well as basic oxides. Such oxides are known as amphoteric oxides. They react with acids as well as alkalis. For example, Al2O3 reacts with acids as well as alkalis. Al2O3 plus 6HCl plus 9H2O gives out 2Al H2O whole 6 to the power 3 positive plus Cl negative, 6Cl negative. Al2O3 plus 6NaOH plus 3H2O gives out 2Na3AlOH whole 6. There are some oxides which are neither acidic nor basic. Such oxides are known as neutral oxides. Examples of neutral oxides are CO, NO, and N2O. 7.13 Ozone. Ozone is an allotropic form of oxygen. It is too reactive to remain for long in the atmosphere at sea level. At a height of about 20 kilometers, it is formed from atmospheric oxygen in the presence of sunlight. This ozone layer protects the Earth's surface from an excessive concentration of ultraviolet radiations. Preparation. When a slow dry stream of oxygen is passed through a silent electrical discharge, conversion of oxygen to ozone 10% occurs. The product is known as ozonized oxygen. 3O2 gives out 2O3, and where delta H is 298 Kelvin is equals to plus 142 kilojoule per mole. Since the formation of ozone from oxygen is an endothermic process, it is necessary to use a silent electrical discharge in its preparation to prevent its decomposition. If concentrations of ozone greater than 10% are required, a battery of ozonizers can be used, and pure ozone, where boiling point is 101.1 Kelvin, can be condensed in a vessel surrounded by liquid oxygen. Properties. Pure ozone is a pale blue gas, dark blue liquid and violet black solid. Ozone has a characteristic smell, and in small concentrations it is harmless. However, if the concentration rises above about 100 parts per million, breathing becomes uncomfortable, resulting in headache and nausea. Ozone is thermodynamically unstable with respect to oxygen, since its decomposition into oxygen results in the liberation of heat and an increase in entropy. These two effects reinforce each other, resulting in large negative Gibbs energy change delta G for its conversion into oxygen. It is not really surprising, therefore high concentrations of ozone can be dangerously explosive. Due to the ease with which it liberates atoms of nascent oxygen, that is O3, which gives out O2 plus nascent oxygen, it acts as powerful oxidizing agent. For example, it oxidizes lead sulfide to lead sulfate and iodide ions to iodine. PbS plus 4O3 gives out PbSO4 plus 4O2, 2 iodine plus H2O plus O3 gives out 2OH plus I2 plus O2. When ozone reacts with an excess of potassium iodide solution buffered with a borates buffer, pH is 9.2, iodine is liberated, which can be titrated against a standard solution of sodium thiosulfate. This is a quantitative method for estimating O3 gas. Experiments have shown that nitrogen oxides, particularly nitrogen monooxides, combine with very rapidly with ozone, and there is thus the possibility that nitrogen oxides emitted from the exhaust system of supersonic jet aeroplanes might be slowly depleting the concentration of the ozone layer in the upper atmosphere. NO plus O3 gives out NO2 plus O2. Another threat to this ozone layer is probably posed by the use of freons, which are used in aerosol sprays and as refrigerants. The two oxygen-oxygen bond lengths in the ozone molecule are identical, and the molecule is angular as expected with a bond angle of about 117 degree. It is a resonance hybrid of two main forms. Uses: it is used as germicide, disinfectant, and for sterilizing water. It is also used for bleaching oils, ivory, flour, starch, etc. It acts as an oxidizing agent in the manufacture of potassium permanganate. 7.14 Sulfur allotropic forms. Sulfur forms numerous allotropes, of which the yellow rhombic, that is alpha sulfur, and monoclinic, that is beta sulfur, forms are the most important. The stable form at room temperature is rhombic sulfur, which transforms to monoclinic sulfur when heated above 369 K. Rhombic sulfur or alpha sulfur. This allotrope is yellow in color, melting point is 385.8 Kelvin, and specific gravity is 2.06. Rhombic sulfur crystals are formed on evaporating the solution of rolled sulfur in CS2. It is insoluble in water but dissolves to some extent in benzene, alcohol, and ether. It is readily soluble in CS2. Monoclinic sulfur or beta sulfur. Its melting point is 393 Kelvin and specific gravity is 1.98. It is soluble in CS2. This form of sulfur is prepared by melting rhombic sulfur in a dish and cooling till crust is formed. Two holes are made in the crust and the remaining liquid poured out. On removing the crust, colorless needle-shaped crystals of beta sulfur are formed. It is stable above 369 Kelvin and transforms into alpha sulfur below it. Conversely, alpha sulfur is stable below 369 Kelvin and transforms into beta sulfur above this. At 369 Kelvin, both the forms are stable. This temperature is called transition temperature. Both rhombic and monoclinic sulfur have S8 molecules. These S8 molecules are packed to give different crystal structures. The S8 ring in both the forms is puckered and has a crown shape. The molecular dimensions are given in figure 7.5a. Several other modifications of sulfur containing 6 to 20 sulfur atoms per ring have been synthesized in the last 2 decades. In cyclo S6, the ring adopts the chair form and the molecular dimensions are as shown in figure 7.5b. At elevated temperatures, that is approximately 1000 Kelvin, S2 is the dominant species and is paramagnetic like O2. 7.15 Sulfur dioxide. Preparation. Sulfur dioxide is formed together with a little 6 to 8% sulfur trioxide when sulfur is burnt in air or oxygen. Sulfur plus O2 gives out SO2. In the laboratory, it is readily generated by treating a sulfide with dilute sulfuric acid. Reaction is SO3 2 negative plus 2H positive gives out H2O plus SO2. Industrially, it is produced as a byproduct of the roasting of sulfide ores, and the reaction is 4FeS2, that is solid, plus 11O2 gaseous, and it gives out 2Fe2O3, that is solid, plus 8SO2 gaseous. The gas after drying is liquefied under pressure and is stored in steel cylinders. Properties. Sulfur dioxide is a colorless gas with pungent smell and is highly soluble in water. It liquefies at room temperature under a pressure of 2 atmospheres and boils at 263 Kelvin. Sulfur dioxide, when passed through the water, forms a solution of sulfurous acid. SO2 plus H2O gives out H2SO3. It reacts readily with sodium hydroxide solution, forming sodium sulfide, which then reacts with more sulfur dioxide to form sodium hydrogen sulfide. 2NaOH plus SO2 gives out Na2SO3 plus H2O. Na2SO3 plus H2O plus SO2 gives out 2NaHSO3. In its reaction with water and alkalis, the behavior of sulfur dioxide is very similar to that of carbon dioxide. Sulfur dioxide reacts with chlorine in the presence of charcoal, which acts as a catalyst to give sulfuryl chloride SO2Cl2. It is oxidized to sulfur trioxide by oxygen in the presence of vanadium, that is symbol is V, oxide catalyst. And the reactions are SO2 plus Cl2 gives out SO2Cl2, it is liquid, and 2SO2 plus O2 gives out 2SO3, and this reaction occurs in the presence of V2O5. When moist sulfur dioxide behaves as a reducing agent, for example, it converts iron third ions to iron second ions and decolorizes acidified potassium permanganate 8,7 solution. The latter reaction is convenient test for the gas, and the reactions are 2Fe3 positive plus SO2 plus 2H2O gives out 2Fe2 positive plus SO4 negative plus 4H ion, and 5SO2 plus 2MnO4 negative plus 2H2O gives out 5SO4 2 negative plus 4H ion plus 2Mn2 positive. The molecule of SO2 is angular. It is a resonance hybrid of the two canonical forms. Uses: sulfur dioxide is used in refining petroleum and sugar, in bleaching wool and silk, and as an anti-color, disinfectant and preservative. Sulfuric acid, sodium hydrogen sulfide and calcium hydrogen sulfide, that is industrial chemicals actually, are manufactured from sulfur dioxide. Liquid SO2 is used as a solvent to dissolve a number of organic and inorganic chemicals. 7.16 Oxoacids of sulfur. Sulfur forms a number of oxoacids such as H2SO3, H2S2O3, H2S2O4, H2S2O5, H2SXO6, where X is equals to 2 to 5, H2SO4, H2S2O7, H2SO5, H2S2O8. Some of these acids are unstable and cannot be isolated. They are known in aqueous solution or in the form of their salts. Structure of some important oxoacids are shown in figure 7.6. 7.17 Sulfuric acid. Manufacture. Sulfuric acid is one of the most important industrial chemicals worldwide. Sulfuric acid is manufactured by the contact process, which involves 3 steps. Number 1, burning of sulfur or sulfide ores in the air to generate SO2. Number 2, conversion of SO2 to SO3 by the reaction with oxygen in the presence of a catalyst, that is V2O5. And number 3, absorption of SO3 in H2SO4 to give oleum H2S2O7. A flow diagram for the manufacture of sulfuric acid is shown in figure 7.7. The SO2 produced is purified by removing dust and other impurities such as arsenic compounds. The key step in the manufacture of H2SO4 is the catalytic oxidation of SO2 with O2 to give SO3 in the presence of V2O5 catalyst. 2SO2 plus O2 in the presence of V2O5 gives out 2SO3, and delta H is minus 196.6 kJ per mole. The reaction is exothermic, reversible, and the forward reaction leads to a decrease in volume. Therefore, low temperature and high pressure are the favorable conditions for maximum yield. But the temperature should not be very low, otherwise rate of reaction will become slow. In practice, the plant is operated at a pressure of 2 bar and a temperature of 720 Kelvin. The SO3 gas from the catalytic converter is absorbed in concentrated H2SO4 to produce oleum. Dilution of oleum with water gives H2SO4 of the desired concentration. In the industries, 2 steps are carried out simultaneously to make the process a continuous one and also to reduce the cost. SO3 plus H2SO4 gives out H2S2O7, that is oleum. The sulfuric acid obtained by contact process is 96 to 98% pure. Properties. Sulfuric acid is a colorless, dense, oily liquid with a specific gravity of 1.84 at 298 Kelvin. The acid freezes at 283 Kelvin and boils at 611 K. It dissolves in water with the evolution of a large quantity of heat. Hence, care must be taken while preparing sulfuric acid solution from concentrated sulfuric acid. The concentrated acid must be added slowly into water with constant stirring. The chemical reaction of sulfuric acid are as a result of the following characteristics. A. Low volatility. B. Strong acidic character. C. Strong affinity for water. And D. Ability to act as an oxidizing agent. In aqueous solution, sulfuric acid ionizes in two steps. H2SO4 plus H2O gives out H3O positive plus HSO4 negative, and where Ka1 is very large, it means Ka1 is greater than 10. HSO4 negative plus H2O gives out H3O positive plus SO42 negative, and where Ka2 is equals to 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 2. The larger value of Ka1 means that H2SO4 is largely dissociated into H ion and HSO4 negative. Greater the value of dissociation constant, that is Ka, the stronger is the acid. The acid forms two series of salts, normal sulfates such as sodium sulfate and copper sulfate, and acid sulfate, example sodium hydrogen sulfate. Sulfuric acid, because of its low volatility, can be used to manufacture more volatile acids from their corresponding salts. 2mx plus H2SO4 gives out 2HX plus M2SO4, where X is equals to fluorine, fluorine and NO3, and M is any metal. Concentrated sulfuric acid is a strong dehydrating agent. Many wet gases can be dried by passing them through sulfuric acid, provided the gases do not react with acid. Sulfuric acid removes water from organic compounds. It is evident by its jarring action on carbohydrates. C12H22O11 in the presence of H2SO4 gives out 12C plus 11H2O. Hot concentrated sulfuric acid is a moderately strong oxidizing agent. In this respect, it is intermediate between phosphoric and nitric acid. Both metals and non-metals are oxidized by concentrated sulfuric acid, which is reduced to SO2. Cu plus 2H2SO4 concentrated gives out CuSO4 plus SO2 plus 2H2O. Sulfur plus 2H2SO4 concentrated gives out 3SO2 plus 2H2O. And carbon plus 2H2SO4 again concentrated gives out CO2 plus 2SO2 plus 2H2O. Uses: sulfuric acid is a very important industrial chemical. A nation's industrial strength can be judged by the quantity of sulfuric acid it produces and consumes. It is needed for the manufacture of hundreds of the other compounds and also in many industrial processes. The bulk of sulfuric acid produced is used in the manufacture of fertilizers, example ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, etc. Other uses are in petroleum refining, manufacture of pigments, paints and dyes stuff intermediates, and next one is detergent industry, and after that metallurgical application. Examples are cleansing metals before enameling, electroplating and galvanizing, and after that storage batteries, and in the manufacture of nitrocellulose products, and the last one is as a laboratory reagent. 7.18 Group 17 elements. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine and tennessine are members of group 17. These are collectively known as the halogens. Greek halo means salt and gens means bond, that is salt producers. The halogens are highly reactive non-metallic elements like groups 1 and 2. The elements of group 17 show great similarity amongst themselves. That much similarity is not found in the elements of other groups of the periodic table. Also, there is a regular gradation in their physical and chemical properties. Astatine and tennessine are radioactive elements. 7.18.1 Occurrence. Fluorine and chlorine are fairly abundant, while bromine and iodine less so. Fluorine is present mainly as insoluble fluorides, fluorspar CF2, cryolite Na3LF6 and fluoroapatite, that is 3Ca3PO4 whole twice CF2. And small quantities are present in soil, river, water, plants and bones and teeth of animals. Seawater contains chlorides, bromides and iodides of sodium, potassium, magnesium and calcium, but is mainly sodium chloride solution 2.5% by mass. The deposits of dried up seas contain these compounds, example sodium chloride and carnallite, that is KCl MgCl2 into 6H2O. Certain forms of marine life contain iodine in their systems. Various seaweeds, for example, contain up to 0.5% of iodine, and Kyle saltpetre contains up to 0.2% of sodium iodate. Here important atomic and physical properties of group 17 elements other than tennessine are given along with their electronic configurations. Tennessine is a synthetic radioactive element. Its symbol is Ts, atomic number 117. atomic mass 294 and electronic configuration is radon 5f14, 6d10, 7s2 and 7p5. Only very small amount of the element could be prepared. Also, its half-life is in milliseconds only, that is why its chemistry could not be established. The trends of some of the atomic physical and chemical properties are as discussed below. 7.18.2 electronic configuration. All these elements have 7 electrons in their outermost shell, Ns2 Np5, which is 1 electron short of the next noble gas. 7.18.3 atomic and ionic radii. The halogens have the smallest atomic radii in their respective periods due to maximum effective nuclear charge. The atomic radius of fluorine, like the other elements of second period, is extremely small. Atomic and ionic radii increase from fluorine to iodine due to increased number of quantum shell. Ionization enthalpy. They have little tendency to lose electron, thus they have very high ionization enthalpy due to increase in atomic size. Ionization enthalpy decreases down the group. After that, electron gain enthalpy. Halogens have maximum negative electron gain enthalpy in the corresponding periods. This is due to the fact that the atoms of these elements have only one electron less than stable noble gas configurations. Electron gain enthalpy of the elements of the group become less negative down the group. However, the negative electron gain enthalpy of fluorine is less than that of fluorine. It is due to small size of fluorine atom. As a result, there are strong inter-electronic repulsions in the relatively small 2p orbitals of fluorine, and thus the incoming electron does not experience much attraction. 7.18.6 electronegativity. They have very high electronegativity. The electronegativity decreases down the group. Fluorine is the most electronegative element in the periodic table. 7.18.7 Physical properties. Halogens display smooth variation in their physical properties. Fluorine and chlorine are gases, bromine is a liquid and iodine is a solid. Their melting and boiling points steadily increase with atomic number. All halogens are colored. This is due to absorption of radiations in visible region, which results in the excitation of outer electrons to higher energy level. By absorbing different quanta of radiation, they display different colors. For example, F2 has yellow, Cl2 greenish, yellow, and Br2 is red and I2 violet color. Fluorine and chlorine react with water. Bromine and iodine are only sparingly soluble in water but are soluble in various organic solvents such as chloroform, carbon tetrachloride, carbon disulfide, and hydrocarbons to give colored solutions. One curious anomaly we noticed from table 7.8 is the smaller enthalpy of dissociation of F2 compared to that of Cl2, whereas XX bond dissociation enthalpies from chlorine onward show the expected trend, that is chlorine-chlorine bond is greater than bromine-bromine is greater than iodine-iodine. A reason for this anomaly is the relatively large electron-electron repulsion among the lone pairs in F2 molecule, where they are much closer to each other than in case of Cl2. 7.18.8 Chemical properties. Oxidation states and trend in chemical reactivity. All the halogens exhibit -1 oxidation state. However, chlorine, bromine and iodine exhibit +1, +3, +5 and +7 oxidation states, also as explained below. The higher oxidation states of chlorine, bromine and iodine are realized mainly when the halogens are in combination with the small and highly electronegative fluorine and oxygen atoms. Example in interhalogens, oxides and oxoacids. The oxidation states of +4 and +6 occur in the oxides and oxoacids of chlorine and bromine. The fluorine atom has no d orbitals in its valence shell and therefore cannot expand its octet. Being the most electronegative, it exhibits only -1 oxidation state. All the halogens are highly reactive. They react with metals and non-metals to form halides. The reactivity of the halogens decreases down the group. The ready acceptance of an electron is the reason for the strong oxidizing nature of halogens. F2 is the strongest oxidizing halogen and it oxidizes other halide ions in solution or even in the solid phase. In general, a halogen oxidizes halide ions of higher atomic number. The decreasing oxidizing ability of the halogens in aqueous solution down the group is evident from their standard electrode potentials, which are dependent on the parameters indicated below. Half x2 gives out x negative, and then after gives out x negative aqueous. And remaining three were gases, and last one is the aqueous form. The relative oxidizing power of halogens can further be illustrated by their reactions with water. Fluorine oxidizes water to oxygen, whereas chlorine and bromine react with water to form corresponding hydrohalic and hypohalous acids. The reaction of iodine with water is non-spontaneous. In fact, I negative can be oxidized by oxygen in acidic medium, just the reverse of the reaction observed with fluorine. Reactions are 2F2 plus 2H2O gives out 4Hin plus 4F negative plus O2. X2 plus H2O gives out HX plus HOX, where X is chlorine or bromine. And 4I minus plus 4Hin plus O2 gives out 2I2 plus 2H2O. Anomalous behavior of fluorine. Like other elements of p block present in second period of the periodic table, fluorine is anomalous in many properties. For example, ionization enthalpy, electronegativity, and electrode potentials are all higher for fluorine than expected from the trends set by other halogens. Also, ionic and covalent radii, melting point and boiling point, enthalpy of bond dissociation, and electron gain enthalpy are quite lower than expected. The anomalous behavior of fluorine is due to its small size, highest electronegativity, low FF bond dissociation enthalpy, and non-availability of d orbitals in valence shell. Most of the reactions of fluorine are exothermic due to the small and strong bond formed by it with other elements. It forms only one oxoacid, while other halogens form a number of oxoacids. Hydrogen fluoride is a liquid. Boiling point is 293 Kelvin due to strong hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bond is formed in HF due to small size and high electronegativity of fluorine. Other hydrogen halides which have bigger size and less electronegativity are gases. Number 1. Reactivity towards hydrogen. They all react with hydrogen to give hydrogen halides, but affinity for hydrogen decreases from fluorine to iodine. Hydrogen halides dissolve in water to form hydrohalic acids. Some of the properties of hydrogen halides are given in table 7.9. The acidic strength of these acids varies in the order HF is less than HCl, is less than HBr, is less than HI. The stability of these halides decreases down the group due to decrease in bond, that is HX bond, dissociation enthalpy. In the order HF is greater than HCl, is greater than HBr, is greater than HI. Number 2. Reactivity towards oxygen. Halogens form many oxides with oxygen, but most of them are unstable. Fluorine forms two oxides, OF2 and O2F2. However, only OF2 is thermally stable at 298 K. These oxides are essentially oxygen fluorides because of the higher electronegativity of fluorine than oxygen. Both are strong fluorinating agents. O2F2 oxidizes plutonium to PuF6, and the reaction is used in removing plutonium as PuF6 from spent nuclear fuel. Chlorine, bromine and iodine form oxides in which the oxidation states of these halogens range from +1 to +7. A combination of kinetic and thermodynamic factors lead to the generally decreasing order of stability of oxides formed by halogens. I is greater than chlorine is greater than bromine. Higher stability of oxides of iodine is due to greater polarizability of bond between iodine and oxygen. In the case of chlorine, multiple bond formation between chlorine and oxygen takes place due to availability of d orbitals. This leads to increase in stability. Bromine lacks both the characteristics, hence stability of oxides of bromine is least. The higher oxides of halogens tend to be more stable than the lower ones. Chlorine oxides Cl2O, ClO2, Cl2O6 and Cl2O7 are highly reactive oxidizing agents and tend to explode. ClO2 is used as bleaching agent for paper pulp and textiles and in water treatment. The bromine oxides Br2O, BrO2, BrO3 are least stable halogen oxides, middle row anomaly, and exist only at low temperatures. They are very powerful oxidizing agents. The iodine oxides I2O4, I2O5, I2O7 are insoluble solids and decompose on heating. I2O5 is a very good oxidizing agent and is used in the estimation of carbon monoxide. Number 3, reactivity towards metals. Halogen reacts with metals to form metal halides. For example, bromine reacts with magnesium to give magnesium bromide. Mg plus Br2 gives out MgBr2. The ionic character of the halides decreases in the order Mf is greater than Mcl, is greater than Mbr, is greater than Mi, where M is monovalent metal. If a metal exhibits more than one oxidation state, the halides in higher oxidation state will be more covalent than the one in lower oxidation state. For example, SnCl4, PbCl4, SbCl5 and UF6 are more covalent than SnCl2, PbCl2, SbCl3 and UF4 respectively. Number 4, reactivity of halogens towards other halogens. Halogens combines among themselves to form a number of compounds known as interhalogens of the types XX-, XX3-, XX5- and XX7-, where X is a large size halogen and X- is a smaller size halogen. 7.19 Chlorine. Chlorine was discovered in 1774 by Scheele by the action of HCl on MnO2, and in 1810 Davy established its elementary nature and suggested the name chlorine on account of its color. Greek colors means greenish yellow. Preparation. It can be prepared by any one of the following methods. Number 1. By heating manganese dioxide with concentrated hydrochloric acid. MnO2 plus 4HCl gives out MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus 2H2O. However, a mixture of common salt and concentrated H2SO4 is used in place of HCl. 4NaCl plus MnO2 plus 4H2SO4 gives out MnCl2 plus 4NaHSO4 plus 2H2O plus Cl2. Number 2. By the action of HCl on potassium permanganate, 2KMnO4 plus 16HCl gives out 2KCl plus 2MnCl2 plus 8H2O plus 5Cl2. Manufacture of chlorine. Number 1. Dakin's process. By oxidation of hydrogen chloride gas, atmospheric oxygen in the presence of CuCl2, that is catalyst, at 723 Kelvin. The reaction is 4HCl plus O2 gives out CuCl2 plus 2Cl2 plus 2H2O. Number 2. Electrolytic process. Chlorine is obtained by the electrolysis of brine, that is concentrated NaCl solution. Chlorine is liberated at anode. It is also obtained as a byproduct in many chemical industries. Properties. It is a greenish yellow gas with pungent and suffocating odor. It is about 2 to 5 times heavier than air. It can be liquefied easily into greenish yellow liquid which boils at 239 Kelvin. It is soluble in water. Chlorine reacts with a number of metals and non-metals to form chlorides. 2Al plus 3Cl2 gives out 2AlCl3. 2Na plus Cl2 gives out 2NaCl. 2Fe plus 3Cl2 gives out 2FeCl3. P4 plus 6Cl2 gives out 4PCl3. S8 plus 4Cl2 gives out 4S2Cl2. It has a great affinity for hydrogen. It reacts with compounds containing hydrogen to form HCl. H2 plus Cl2 gives out 2HCl. H2S plus Cl2 gives out 2HCl plus sulfur. C10H16 plus 8Cl2 gives out 16HCl plus 10C. With cold and dilute alkalis, chlorine produces a mixture of chloride and hypochlorite, but with hot and concentrated alkalis, it gives chloride and chlorate. Reactions are 2NaOH, cold and dilute, plus Cl2 gives out NaCl plus NaOCl plus H2O. And next reaction is 6NaOH, that is hot and concentrated, plus 3Cl2 gives out 5NaCl plus NaClO3 plus 3H2O. With dry slaked lime, it gives bleaching powder. 2CaOH whole twice plus 2Cl2 gives out CaOCl whole twice plus CaCl2 plus 2H2O. The composition of bleaching powder is CaOCl whole twice, CaCl2 into CaOH whole twice into 2H2O. Chlorine reacts with hydrocarbons and gives substitution products with saturated hydrocarbons and addition products with unsaturated hydrocarbons. For example, CH4 plus Cl2 in ultraviolet rays gives out CH3Cl plus HCl. And next reaction is C2H4 plus Cl2 at room temperature gives out C2H4Cl2. It is 1,2 dichloroethane. Chlorine water on a standing loses its yellow color due to the formation of HCl and HOCl. Hypochlorous acid, that is HOCl, so formed gives nascent oxygen, which is responsible for oxidizing and bleaching properties of chlorine. Chlorine oxidizes ferrous to ferric and sulfide to sulfate. Chlorine oxidizes sulfur dioxide to sulfur trioxide and iodine to iodate. In the presence of water, they form sulfuric acid and iodic acid respectively. 2FeSO4 plus H2SO4 plus Cl2 gives out Fe2SO4 whole thrice plus 2HCl. Na2SO3 plus Cl2 plus H2O gives out Na2SO4 plus 2HCl. SO2 plus 2H2O plus Cl2 gives out H2SO4 plus 2HCl. And I2 plus 6H2O plus 5Cl2 gives out 2HiO3 plus 10HCl. Chlorine is a powerful bleaching agent. Bleaching action is due to oxidation. It bleaches vegetable or organic matter in the presence of moisture. Bleaching effect of chlorine is permanent. Cl2 plus H2O gives out 2HCl plus O. Colored substance plus O gives out colorless substance. Uses. It is used, number 1, for bleaching wood pulp required for the manufacture of paper and rayon, bleaching cotton and textiles. Number 2, in the extraction of gold and platinum. Number 3, in the manufacture of dyes, drugs and organic compounds such as CCl4, CHCl3, DDT, refrigerants, etc. And number 4 is in sterilizing drinking water, and number 5 is preparation of poisonous gases such as phosgene, COCl2, tear gas, CCl3NO2, mustard gas, Cl, CH2, CH2, SCH2, CH2, Cl. 7.20 Hydrogen chloride. Glauber prepared this acid in 1648 by heating common salt with concentrated sulfuric acid. Davy in 1810 showed that it is a compound of hydrogen and chlorine. Preparation. In laboratory, it is prepared by heating sodium chloride with concentrated sulfuric acid. NaCl plus H2SO4 at 420 K gives out NaHSO4 plus HCl, and NaHSO4 plus NaCl at 823 K gives out Na2SO4 plus HCl. HCl gas can be dried by passing through concentrated sulfuric acid. Properties. It is a colorless and pungent smelling gas. It is easily liquefied to a colorless liquid. Boiling point is 189 Kelvin and freezes to a white crystalline solid. Freezing point is 159 Kelvin. It is extremely soluble in water and ionizes as follows. The reaction is HCl plus H2O gives out H3O positive plus Cl negative, and Ka is 10 to the power 7. Its aqueous solution is called hydrochloric acid. High value of dissociation constant, that is Ka, indicates that it is a strong acid in water. It reacts with NH3 and gives white fumes of NH4Cl. And H3 plus HCl gives out NH4Cl. When 3 parts of concentrated HCl and 1 part of concentrated HNO3 are mixed, aqua regia is formed, which is used for dissolving noble metals. Example, gold, platinum. Reactions are Au plus 4H positive plus NO3 negative plus 4Cl negative gives out AuCl4 negative plus NO plus 2H2O. 3Pt plus 16H ion plus 4NO3 negative plus 18Cl negative gives out 3PtCl6 2 negative plus 4NO plus 8H2O. Hydrochloric acid decomposes salts of weaker acids, example carbonates, hydrogen carbonates, sulfides, etc. Na2CO3 plus 2HCl gives out 2NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. NaHCO3 plus 6HCl gives out NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. Na2SO3 plus 2HCl gives out 2NaCl plus H2O plus SO2. Uses. It is used, number 1, in the manufacture of chlorine, NH4Cl and glucose from corn starch. Number 2, for extracting glue from bones and purifying bone black. Number 3, in medicine and as a laboratory reagent. 7.21 oxo acids of halogens. Due to high electronegativity and a small size, fluorine forms only one oxo acid, HOF, known as fluoric acid, as hypofluorous acid. The other halogens form several oxo acids. Most of them cannot be isolated in pure state. They are stable only in aqueous solutions or in the form of their salts. The oxo acids of halogens are given in table 7.10 and their structures are given in figure 7.8. 7.22 Interhalogen compounds. When two different halogens react with each other, interhalogen compounds are formed. They can be assigned general composition as XX-, XX3-, XX5-, and XX7-, where X is halogen of larger size and X- is smaller size, and X is more electropositive than X-. As the ratio between radii of X and X- increases, the number of atoms per molecule also increases. Thus, iodine 7 fluoride should have maximum number of atoms, as the ratio of radii between I and F should be maximum. That is why its formula is IF7, having maximum number of atoms. Preparation. The interhalogen compounds can be prepared directly by the combination or by the action of halogen on lower interhalogen compounds. The product formed depends upon some specific conditions. For example, Cl2F2 at 437 Kelvin gives out 2ClF. Cl2 plus 3F2 at 573 Kelvin gives out 2ClF3, and I2 plus Cl2 gives out 2ICl. I2 plus 3Cl2, it means excess of Cl2, gives out 2ICl3. Br2 plus 3F2 gives out 2BrF3, and Br2 plus 5F2 in excess of F2, it gives out 2BrF5. Properties. Some properties of interhalogen compounds are given in table 7.11. These are all covalent molecules and are diamagnetic in nature. They are volatile solids or liquids at 298 K except ClF. Their physical properties are intermediate between those of constituent halogens, except that their melting point and boiling point are a little higher than expected. Their chemical reactions can be compared with the individual halogens. In general, interhalogen compounds are more reactive than halogens, except fluorine. This is because XX- bond in interhalogen is weaker than XX bond in halogens except FF bond. All these undergo hydrolysis, giving halide ion derived from the smaller halogen and a hypohalite when XX- halide when XX3- and halate when XX5- and perhalate when XX7-. Anion derived from the larger halogen. XX- plus H2O gives out HX- plus HOX. Their molecular structure are very interesting, which can be explained on the basis of whisper theory. The XX3 compounds have the bent T shape, XX5 compounds are square pyramidal, and IF7 has pentagonal bipyramidal structures. Uses. These compounds can be used as non-aqueous solvents. Interhalogen compounds are very useful fluorating agents. ClF3 and BrF3 are used for the production of UF6 in the enrichment of uranium-235. U plus 3ClF3 gives out UF6 plus 3ClF. 7.23 Group 18 elements. Group 18 consists of elements helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, and oganesson. All these are gases and chemically unreactive. They form very few compounds. Because of this, they are termed as noble gases. 7.23.1 Occurrence. All these gases except radon and oganesson occur in the atmosphere. Their atmospheric abundance in dry air is approximately 1% by volume, of which argon is the major constituent. Helium and sometimes neon are found in minerals of radioactive origin. Example, pitchblende monazite, cleveite. The main commercial source of helium is natural gas. Xenon and radon are the rarest elements of the group. Radon is obtained as a decay product of 2,2,6 radon. 2,2,6,88 radon gives out 2,22,86 radon. 2,26,88 Ra gives out 2,22,86 Rn plus 4,2He. Oganesson has been synthetically produced by collision of 249-98 Cf atoms and 48-20 calcium ions. 249-98 Cf plus 48-20 calcium gives out 294-118 Oganesson plus 3N. Oganesson has its symbol Og, atomic number 118, atomic mass 294, and electronic configuration is radon 5F14, 6D10, 7S2, 7P6. Only very small amount of oganesson has been produced. Its half-life is 0.7 milliseconds. Therefore, mainly predictions about its chemistry have been made. Here, except for oganesson, important atomic and physical properties of other elements of group 18 along with their electronic configurations are given in table 7.12. The trends in some of the atomic, physical and chemical properties of the group are discussed here. The first one is electronic configuration. All noble gases have general electronic configuration ns2np6 except helium, which has 1s2. Many of the properties of noble gases, including their inactive nature, are ascribed to their closed shell structure. Next one is ionization enthalpy. Due to stable electronic configuration, these gases exhibit very high ionization enthalpy. However, it decreases down the group with increase in atomic size. After that, atomic radii. Atomic radii increase down the group with increase in atomic number. Then after, electron gain enthalpy. Since noble gases have stable electronic configurations, they have no tendency to accept the electron and therefore have large positive values of electron gain enthalpy. Physical properties. All the noble gases are monoatomic. They are colorless, odorless and tasteless. They are sparingly soluble in water. They have very low melting and boiling points because the only type of interatomic interaction in these elements is weak dispersion forces. Helium has the lowest boiling point. It is 4.2 Kelvin of any known substance. It has an unusual properties of diffusing through most commonly used laboratory materials such as rubber, glass or plastics. Chemical properties. In general, noble gases are least reactive. Their inertness to chemical reactivity is attributed to the following reasons. Number 1. The noble gases except helium 1s2 have completely filled ns2np6 electronic configuration in their valence shell. Number 2. They have high ionization enthalpy and more positive electron gain enthalpy. The reactivity of noble gases has been investigated occasionally ever since their discovery, but all attempts to force them to react to form the compounds were unsuccessful for quite a few years. In March 1962, Neil Bartlett, then at University of British Columbia, observed the reaction of noble gas. First, he prepared a red compound which is formulated as O2 positive PTF6 negative. He then realized that the first ionization enthalpy of molecular oxygen 1175 kJ per mole was almost identical with that of xenon, that is 1170 kJ per mole. He made efforts to prepare same type of compound with xenon and was successful in preparing another red color compound Xe positive PTF6 negative by mixing PTF6 and xenon. After this discovery, a number of xenon compounds, mainly with most electronegative elements like fluorine and oxygen, have been synthesized. The compounds of krypton are fewer. Only the difluoride, that is KrF2, has been studied in detail. Compounds of radon have not been isolated but only identified, example RnF2, by radio tracer technique. No true compounds of argon, neon or helium are yet known. A. Xenon-fluorine compounds. Xenon forms 3 binary fluorides XeF2, XeF4 and XeF6 by the direct reaction of elements under appropriate experimental condition. Xe plus F2 at 673 K and 1 bar pressure gives out XeF2. Xe plus 2F2 at 873 K 7 bar gives out XeF4, and Xe plus 3F2 at 573 K and 60 to 70 bar gives out XeF6. XeF6 can also be prepared by the interaction of XeF4 and O2F2 at 143 K. Reaction is XeF4 plus O2F2 gives out XeF6 plus O2. XeF2, XeF4 and XeF6 are colorless crystalline solids and sublime readily at 298 K. They are powerful fluorinating agents. They are readily hydrolyzed even by traces of water. For example, XeF2 is hydrolyzed to give Xe, HF and O2. 2XeF2 plus 2H2O gives out 2Xe plus 4HF plus O2. The structures of the 3 xenon fluorides can be deduced from VSEPR and these are shown in figure 7.9. XeF2, XeF4 have linear and square planar structures respectively. XeF4 has 7 electron pairs, bonding pairs and 1 lone pair, and would thus have a distorted octahedral structures as found experimentally in the gas phase. Xenon fluorides reacts with fluoride ion acceptor to form cationic species and fluoride ion donors to form fluoroanions. Reactions are XeF2 plus PF5 gives out XeF positive and PF6 negative. XeF4 plus SbF5 gives out XeF3 positive and SbF6 negative. XeF6 plus MF gives out M positive, XeF7 negative, where M is Na, potassium, Rb or cesium. B. Xenon oxygen compound. B. Xenon oxygen compound. Hydrolysis of XeF4 and XeF6 with water gives XeO3. 6 XeF4 plus 12 H2O gives out 4 Xe plus 2 XeO3 plus 24 HF plus 3 O2. XeF6 plus 3 H2O gives out XeO3 plus 6 HF. Partial hydrolysis of XeF6 gives oxyfluorides, XeO4 and XeO2F2. XeF6 plus H2O gives out XeO4 plus 2HF, and next reaction is XeF6 plus 2H2O gives out XeO2F2 plus 4HF. XeO3 is a colorless explosive solid and has a pyramidal molecular structure. XeO4 is a colorless volatile liquid and has a square pyramidal molecular structure. Uses: helium is a non-inflammable and light gas, hence it is used in filling balloons for meteorological observation. It is also used in gas-cooled nuclear reactor. Liquid helium boiling point 4.2 K finds use as cryogenic agent for carrying out various experiments at low temperature. It is used to produce and sustain powerful superconducting magnets which form an essential part of modern NMR spectrometers and magnetic resonance imaging (MRI) systems for clinical diagnosis. It is used as diluent for oxygen in modern diving apparatus because of its very low solubility in blood. Neon is used in discharge tube and fluorescent bulbs for advertisement display purposes. Neon bulbs are used in botanical gardens and greenhouses. Argon is used mainly to provide an inert atmosphere in high temperature metallurgical processes, arc welding of metals or alloys, and for filling electrical bulbs. It is also used in the laboratory for handling substances that are air sensitive. There are no significant uses of xenon and krypton. They are used in light bulbs designed for special purposes. Summary: Groups 13 to 18 of the periodic table consist of p block elements with their valence shell electronic configuration ns2 np1 to 6. Group 13 and 14 were dealt with in class 11. In this unit, remaining groups of the p block have been discussed. Group 15 consists of 5 elements, namely nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, Sb and Bi, which have general electronic configuration ns2 np3. Nitrogen differs from other elements of this group due to small size, formation of p-pi multiple bonds with itself with highly electronegative atom like O or carbon, and non-availability of d orbitals to expand its valence shell. Elements of group 15 show gradation in properties. They react with oxygen, hydrogen and halogens. They exhibit two important oxidation states, +3 and +5, and +3 oxidation is favored by heavier elements due to the inert pair effect. Dinitrogen can be prepared in laboratory as well as on industrial scale. It forms oxides in various oxidation states as N2O, NO, N2O3, NO2, N2O4 and N2O5. These oxides have resonating structures and have multiple bonds. Ammonia can be prepared on large scale by Haber's process. HNO3 is an important industrial chemical. It is a strong monobasic acid and is a powerful oxidizing agent. Metals for non-metals react with HNO3 under different conditions to give NO or NO2. Phosphorus exists as P4 in elemental form. It exists in several allotropic forms. It forms hydride, PH3, which is a highly poisonous gas. It forms two types of halides as PX3 and PX5. PCl3 is prepared by the reaction of white phosphorus with dry chlorine, while PCl5 is prepared by the reaction of phosphorus with SO2Cl2. Phosphorus forms a number of oxoacids. Depending upon the number of POH groups, their basicity varies. The oxoacids which have pH bonds are good reducing agents. The group 16 elements have general electronic configuration of Ns2Np4. They show maximum oxidation state +6. Gradation in physical and chemical properties is observed in the group 16 elements. In laboratory, dioxygen is prepared by heating KClO3 in presence of MnO2. It forms a number of oxides with metals. Allotropic form of oxygen is O3, which is highly oxidizing agent. Sulfur forms a number of allotropes. Of these, alpha and beta forms of sulfur are the most important. Sulfur combines with oxygen to give oxides such as SO2 and SO3. SO2 is prepared by the direct union of sulfur with oxygen. SO2 is used in the manufacture of H2SO4. Sulfur forms a number of oxoacids. Among them, the most important is H2SO4. It is prepared by the contact process. It is a dehydrating and oxidizing agent. It is used in the manufacture of several compounds. Group 17 of the periodic table consists of the following elements: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and At. These elements are extremely reactive, and so as such they are found in the combined state only. The common oxidation state of these elements is -1. However, highest oxidation state can be +7. They show regular gradation in physical and chemical properties. They form oxides, hydrogen halides, interhalogen compounds, and oxoacids. Chlorine is conveniently obtained by the reaction of HCl with KMnO4. HCl is prepared by heating NaCl with concentrated H2SO4. Halogens combine with one another to form interhalogen compounds of the type XN-, where N is 1, 3, 5, 7, where X- is lighter than X. A number of oxoacids of halogens are known. In the structures of these oxoacids, halogen is the central atom which is bonded in each case with one OH bond as XOH. In some cases, X is equals to 0, bonds are also found. Group 18 of the periodic table consists of noble gases. They have an s2np6 valence shell electronic configuration except helium which has one s2. All the gases except Rn occur in atmosphere. Rn is obtained as the decay product of 2,2,6 breakdown. Due to complete octet of outermost shell, they have less tendency to form compounds. The best characterized compounds are those of xenon with fluorine and oxygen only under certain conditions. These gases have several uses. Argon is used to provide inert atmosphere. Helium is used in filling balloons for meteorological observations. Neon is used in discharge tubes and fluorescent bulbs. Chapter completed. Thank you so much.